Formula Drift 2022. We're downtown, my hometown. We're getting set up, unloading right now. Thursday, middle of the day. Getting that tech handled. Making sure we're safe. Making sure we're playing equal. Up on stands, just keeping things clean. Renewable lubricants tents are up, and we're feeling good. It's right next to that big old Long Beach arena. Down here, having a good time. Odie's car looking fantastic. Dylan Hughes. Looks like JTP. This is a wild show down here. I cannot believe it. So many people turned out. Friday, heading to the driver's meeting, getting ready for our practice and qualifying. Everybody's down here. It's Long Beach. It's a good time.
And then back on throttle to the finish line. Just a couple of points here.
We're getting ready to practice. We've got a bunch of stuff on display, premixes, KMR swag. We got rotary parts to play with. We've even got a cam so we can talk some trash on it. Make sure to stop by, grab some free stuff, and say what is up. Formula Drift, Long Beach. It's my hometown. All right, practice went great. We're on our way to the autograph session right now. It's a packed house. We got Team KMR hanging out, renewable lubricants. Sign some autographs, and then it's gonna be time to practice and qualify. Autograph session, got Yori up here hanging out, rotary people, and then we got the rest of the lineup as we go down. Bunch of good drivers out there in Long Beach.
Second, good place in the vehicle. Whew. Yeah. Again, the lone rotary, the lone starfighter into that final inside clip. Great placement of the car.
Saturday morning, race day. I'm a little sunburned, tired. We did great in qualifying yesterday. First event, the car worked fantastic, and we landed in the 15th qualifying position. For a little while, we were in 11th, got an 80, so it's just great to have a good score in front of the hometown. We're just getting ready. Nice, beautiful morning. Downtown Long Beach. Teams are just showing up. Pretty much the coolest view of the Long Beach Grand Prix course and the drift circuit from up on the Judges Tower. Downtown Long Beach. And we got the waterfront right there. So we made it into the top 16. We're getting ready to go out for the top 16 ceremony and show. I got Yorioki in here. We're getting ready to roll out. Cars are moving. Opening ceremonies, Long Beach 2022 right now.
California, let's make some noise for Long Beach's own renewable lubricants, Monster Chick, Mazda RX8, Kyle Rivera.
Sold out. Formula Drift, Long Beach.
Denofa. It looked like he was gonna spin there, Ryan.
How did he hang on to that?
That was insano. Yo, the amount of angle that he had going into, here we go. That Renewable Lubricants Mazda RX8, Mazda Tricks comes in to view and into that first outside zone, gets all the way out there. Chelsea Nova slaps the wall, gets out of shape. Now coming into that final outside zone, big angle from Mohan into the touch and go. Denofa applying the pressure. I'll tell you what, Denofa, he went a little ham, dude. Like he was going for it. And Mohan, I don't know if he was going to fall in there. Mohan really deep, really good lead and run.
It was.
Right, downtown Long Beach, Formula Drift. We just did our top 16 battle against Chelsea Denofa. It was pretty epic, door to door. Unfortunately, I didn't get the win. Both of us had some minor errors. Really thought I was gonna go one more time, but it was just a great battle, and I'm always happy whether I win or lose as long as it's a great battle in Formula Drift. So we're packing it up. Obviously, we're gonna do some testing and tuning. We'll be off to Georgia soon. We've got the Long Beach Grand Prix next weekend. But basically, fantastic event. Great way to start off 2022 Formula Drift with the Renewable Lubricants Mazda Tricks KMR RX8. And I got to give a shout out to Exity, Federal, Megan, Haltech, NRG, Mishimoto, WPC, Brave Energy, Rap Legends, PF1, trying to get everybody. It takes a big team to make it all happen. HGT Precision, I think I about got it. NGK spark plugs and sensors, and a precision turbo if I didn't say it. So you can tell I'm happy. I'm still all amped up. The crew's stacking stuff away. Thank you everybody who gave us just fantastic support this weekend. That's what makes it worth it. KMR, make sure to follow, because we send it. So that is pretty much a wrap. Formula Drift Long Beach. What a start to the year. Couple close shaves this weekend. Check out that back bumper. Not too bad. All right, you know what I'm gonna say. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna wrap on out of here. We got things to do. Races next weekend. Cars to clean up. Thanks for watching. Time to put it away.